Alright, got my Bannock mix mixed up in my enamel bowl. I'm not doing a full Bannock video, I just, showing some highlights. I just wanted to eat some Bannock, so. So immediately the bowl is nice because it doesn't, it's not all floppy like the orange ones, so got a little bit more stability. That's one of the reasons I bought it. There we go. What's that? Just finished squawking in another video. So, one of a couple I'm going to do today. Which reminds me I got another one I need to film. Excuse me. I got my Bannock propped up with a stick. It might almost be done. Can't wait to rip into it ravenous, like a ravenous, hungry animal. I love me some Bannock. I'm going to let the fire burn out even though I have more fuel. So, as you can see, unfortunately we're looking at, well, it's dry here. I'm going to let the fire burn out because, I don't really have much else for video. I mean, I actually could sit here and just relax and enjoy the fire, but, I kind of want to go home and do other stuff. Get this Bannock checked. Burn on it. Got my tongs again too. Let's see. Oh, I think it might be, I can't see the view screen. I think it might be done. It got a little dark, but that's doable. I think she's done. She feels completely done. Sweet. Now I can eat it. Oh yeah. Well, shout out to Joseph Brussel. Bro. Dude, where are you making videos, man? Video, Joe. I haven't seen some of my regular guys making videos lately. I have to pester them. Say, come on, darn it. Make a video. Alright. Bannock. Oh yeah. Hey, I just took the whole thing. Dude. Out of the park, home run again. I don't think I'm ever going to get tired of eating it. A couple little dough patches in there, but so I want to know, have you made Bannock yet? If not, why not? What are you waiting for? It's so good. Light. Delicious. Got a little dark, but you don't think you can do it in the cookware you have? I'm actually quite curious. Why haven't you made Bannock? Afraid of failing? Look at that. Oh, man. So good. Can't even stop eating it. Like a pig. Oink, oink, oink. It doesn't even need any butter or anything. I mean, it'd be great with butter, but it doesn't need it.